Rajsinghasan Puja, one of the most revered rituals of the Tripura Kingdom, is performed by Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debarma on Ashin Dashami. According to royal tradition, the sacred throne Rajachukthai is believed to have been gifted by Dharmaraj Yudhisthira to the 47th Tripuri monarch Maharaja Trilochan, symbolizing the divine authority and ancient legacy of the Tripura kings. On the Hindu festival day of Ashin Dashami or Dashami, the Tripura royal family performs a specific ceremony involving the royal throne known as the Rajachukthai Puja. The Rajachukthai Puja is a traditional ceremony for the royal throne and is performed twice a year, once on Chaitra Dashami and again on Ashin Dashami. The Rajachukthai is considered a sacred relic believed to have been a gift from Dharmaraj Yudhisthira to a 15th century Tripuri king Maharaja Trilochan, the 47th ruler of the Tripuri dynasty. The puja honors the throne as a symbol of the Manikya dynasty legacy and authority. The royal family Bubagra, Pradyot, Kishore, Manikya, Debarma and priests conduct the rituals to uphold centuries-old customs. The royal throne, called the Rajachukthai, holds immense historical and cultural meaning. The throne represents the legacy, authority and traditions of Tripura's Manikya royal lineage. The Tripura is a private ceremony associated with the heritage and spiritual faith of the state.
सब 18 ठीक है सर उनका ना थोड़े गुण तो कैसे तो Khorang anh em để mua anh
As a mark of respect for the royal legacy, the puja is performed with a guard of honor from the state police and a band playing the national anthem. Later, after the puja ceremony, the traditional Khorang Pujan was held where all the Samaj party's leaders were invited to have a traditional meal or food together with Bubagra Pradyot in his residence at Nyugma. Speaking at the Khorang Pujan, Maharaja Pradyot has given a powerful speech where he encouraged all the Tripuri community leaders to become united and raise the voice for the rights and survival of the indigenous Tripura people. He also mentioned about the past controversy that has widely criticized about owning Agartala, Kanchanpur and other places in Tripura, where Bubagra said when Amara Bangali group first said this slogan of owning Agartala, nobody or no political party including Congress, BJP and CPIM has intervened or condemned to this claim, whereas when Bubagra said the same, which is also basically and historically the truth, many have begun creating issue. However, Bubagra said he claimed this ownership only to respond Amara Bangali group. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debarma has shared many more important points in this program, also highlighting various issues and future initiatives. Pure report, Chini Khorang.